Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build this really cool CSS animation loading spinner. So on our right hand side, we have our spinner, which is just rotating endlessly since we set it to infinite. So let's get started. I hope you guys are excited and enjoy the video. And let's create our spinner. First, I'm going to delete all this code and start from scratch so I can explain to you guys what each line of code means, line by line. And there, I just generated my boilerplate code, and I'm gonna go inside my body tag and create a div and create my spinner. Just give it an ID of spinner, and after that I can go into my style tags and start applying some CSS to my spinner. This is all the HTML we need. So first, I'm gonna give the body a background color of RGB, and I'm gonna set that to 212. 197 and 197. You can pick your own color, but I'm just going to go with that. So it's not as bright because it's kind of hurting my eyes, the bright screen. And now I'm going to use some pseudo elements. So I'm going to type hashtag spinner, 2 colons, and then the word before. And the content will be set to an empty string. Position absolute, so we can position it any way we want it to be positioned. And then I'll do top 30%, left 40%, background color, if I can spell it correctly, transparent, and then I can do width 200 pixels, height 200 pixels, so it will be a perfect circle. Well, actually before we can actually turn it into a circle, we have to type border radius and set it to 50%, which will turn into a circle. And I'll give it a border of 20 pixels solid white. And like I said before, all these values are up to you. You can pick any values you want, and you can experiment with the values and change them and make them smaller or bigger. It's your choice. And then I'll do border top color green. And you guys may not have seen me use this before, this CSS style before. So there's border top color, border left color, border bottom color, and border right color. There's 4 of those. You can just do border top and set the top border to this color, to green. And then I'm going to give an animation name of animate, an animation duration of 2 seconds, a timing function of linear, so it will be smooth throughout from start to end. And then it will go on forever, so infinite. And now I can call my keyframes. Type the name of my animation. Then I can do 2, transform, rotate 360 degrees, and we're done. This is all we had to do. Let's refresh and see if it worked. Actually, wait a minute. It's not called spinner, it's called animate, and I misspelled animate, so let me correct that. And this is actually supposed to be animate, and as you can see, now it's working. And this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and were able to learn something new out of this. If you did, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on more videos just like this. I still have more fun and exciting videos in store just for you guys, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, it would mean a lot if you guys help grow my channel by sharing it to other beginner coders so they will learn something new as well. And as always, have a good day, and I hope to see you again in my next video.